Ako lang ba te, pero sometimes parang nahi-hate ko na rin yung sarili ko sa sobrang pagiging empathic ko. The more na parang tina-try kong i-understand lahat ng side, the more na tina-try ko makipag-communicate, ganyan, wala, nauulit lang din yung situation. And observe ko din a lot of people take being an empath as a weakness dahil matured ka to really go through bakit nila nagawa yung isang bagay na ina-abuse ka nila and tinetake advantage nila yung kabaitan mo. Like, I just wish then I can turn on one of my alter egos there all the time na parang I don't give a fuck. Like parang wala akong paki sa'yo. Just wish na I can do that all the time. Pero I care. I really care. I do care. And sometimes dahil sa parang sobrang caring natin sa mga tao, sobrang tinatry nating intindihin bawat tao te, hindi na natin naintindihan yung sarili natin. So this is just a reminder sa mga kapwa empath ko dyan, huwag mong tingnan yung pagiging empath mo as a weakness. And oh my gosh, huwag mong tingnan te as in, like it's a strength to be an empathic person. Hindi lahat ng tao te is kayang umintindi ng situation ng ibang tao. And hindi lahat ng tao te is kayang i-feel yung emotion ng ibang tao or ilagay yung sarili nila dun sa situation ng tao na yon. So, you are a mature person te, pero it's important for us to set boundaries. Yes, being an empath is a gift. If this strength could damage yourself, could downgrade your identity, could bring out some traumas, and parang ikaw yung madedehado te, it's not good. It's not good. Like, too much of everything te is not good. And ipakita mo rin te na you are tough. Like, build some alter egos, protect yourself te, protect your energy because you are the most precious thing ever. Over. But yeah te, that's all and keep going!